guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OPPO F23. So in the first step, open the Play Store, then look for the fax app and choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it. If you're doing it for the first time, add a permissions the camera into the files, and now click on the plus to choose the source of your document. Now choose the photo or the file and click on the import. Now you can add the shape to the document or the picture if you already click arrow icon and choose a filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. If you already click accept, type the number in this place, choose the content from the list. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.